I'm pretty shaken and moved and inspired after, I don't know, it feels like 3 months, but it was 6 days. And yeah, I came here with my wife, and we'd never done anything like this before. We'd been together for 20 years. And I could say with absolute certainty it's transformed our marriage and our relationship and our capacity for being totally honest and transparent with one another and honest with our needs and desires and taking all the shame out of you know enjoying things with other people and still being loving and committed and yeah, feeling safe together. So it's been really surprising journey, unbelievable that it could happen so quickly, and yeah, this has changed my life. So I'm very grateful. How much fun did I have? I had a lot of fun. Uh, it was never the moments where I would have expected to have the most fun. Uh, yeah, I was surprised how much I enjoyed doing a striptease for the group. Uh, and just, yeah, just like little moments in between. The actual exercise was extremely challenging and often not fun for me. But then sometimes I was just like in bliss and so happy, and in situations and in experiences that would have been impossible for me to be so open to and receptive to before. Did I learn something new? Uh, well, the biggest challenge I had going in was a kind of performance pressure that I had on myself. The ability to show up a certain kind of way, um, sexually or even relationally, and and it took a long time, but little by little, that that kind of like eased off, and by the end, I was just able to be myself and enjoy whatever was happening without it needing to do anything in particular. So many. Um, yeah, one thing I'm really surprised about was how it really like cracked me open, energetically speaking, emotionally. Uh, I'm usually relatively numb, and right now I'm so sensitive and so open, so attuned to everybody around me, uh, so grateful just for being alive. Uh, and yeah, it's, you know, who, well, anybody brave enough, honestly. I was terrified around sexuality because I grew up in America, which is horrible, horribly repressed place. Um, and it's always been an issue my whole life. And there's still more to go for sure, but I feel so much more now. There's like a possibility for me to be open with my sexuality in a way that never would have been possible. So yeah, but actually, that's one side of it. But the other side of it, this was a deeply spiritually transformational experience. So anyone who has an authentic interest in their own truth, in the truth of like what does it mean to be in this world, that's really the person that it's for.